Hi, this is Nick Maglione. I'm going to explain today why I think Netflix is a good website and why HBO Go has some work to do. First, I need to say, don't get me wrong, I absolutely love HBO and the shows and movies they offer, but I really don't enjoy their presentation. For Netflix, let's say you have a few different accounts on one account. Me and my three brothers share this Netflix account, and all of us have our own separate profiles, shown up here. It's almost like we have 4 separate accounts for the price of one account, which is so convenient. Everything stays separate, we don't get anything mixed and matched. For HBO, it only lets you have one account, so everybody's shows and movies watched are all together, and it makes it too confusing. I could be watching Game of Thrones Season 7. My brother could be catching up and he's only on Season 4. So when I click continue watching, it could send me to Season 4 rather than Season 7, which is very annoying. So we're going to head over here. I'm not signed in. So when you scroll throughout Netflix, if you hover over a movie or a show, it will provide you with a trailer or a preview of the show, which doesn't happen with HBO Go. So for example, let's go to The Office, and you have a trailer. And Our Planet, trailer, Friends, you have a trailer. You go to HBO Go, try to hover over it, it's not showing a trailer of any kind, so you have to look it up on your phone, on YouTube. But Netflix, it's all right here for you. Every single show has a trailer. Doesn't matter what it is. Okay. It just seems to me like Netflix continues to be steps ahead, while HBO Go is caught lacking behind. The only thing that keeps me coming back to HBO Go is their amazing array of movies and TV shows that aren't offered on Netflix, which include shows like Game of Thrones, The Sopranos, Curb Your Enthusiasm, The Wire, and many more. If it wasn't for shows like this that didn't exist on Netflix, I wouldn't be using HBO Go at all. So it's safe to say HBO Go has me hanging on by a thread because they're great content, but their presentation and ease of use needs to be better. How does everyone else feel?